everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is SherelleSaintRose and today I have something very exciting to share with you, and that are these clip-in extensions from a company called CurlsCurls. Well, this is the first time I've ever tried clip-in extensions and I'm super proud of myself and the way it turned out. So if you enjoy videos about extensions, natural hair or anything of that sort, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, first things first, what you're looking at now is one bundle of hair, or so I thought. This isn't actually one bundle. Two of these together combined make one bundle. And I was so shocked. I had to contact the seller and I was like, did you accidentally send me two? But no, this is actually one bundle. And this is absolutely perfect because, as you guys know, I love my hair and I love my extensions as well to be really thick and full. So this company does these bundles in two types. They do it in thick and they do it in normal. The normal bundle only contains 6 pieces, whereas the thick bundle, which I have, contains 10. And as you can see, it is very, very, very thick. The bundle that contains 6 pieces is suitable for ponytails, whereas the thick bundle, which I have, is excellent for doing a full head of hair, which is what I'm going to be doing today. Now, I'm starting off on damp, freshly washed and conditioned hair because the plan is to do something like a wash and go. Now, if you're subscribed to my channel, you know that I have been natural for 2 years and my hair has grown so much. I'm absolutely amazed. I've also been on a 2-year protector style journey, so hopefully these clip-ins become a regular because I'm kind of getting tired of the same old hairstyles. After washing my own hair, I washed the bundles as well, and this is how much shedding that I got, and this is how the bundles look like wet. Just for reference, my hair is 4A 4B texture, and I feel like if your hair is type 4, these clip-ins will be perfect for you. Well, I don't know if I said before, but this is my first time installing clip-ins and I think I've done pretty well. So firstly, I sectioned off my hair, but I didn't use a comb because I'm really trying to minimize the use of tools in my hair. But even with a comb anyway, I still can't part my hair to save my life. So to me, it doesn't really make much of a difference. Secondly, I use a bit of Eco Styler to define my hair. Then once my hair is all defined, I then proceed to clip in the extensions, and I'm starting off with the largest one first that has 5 clips. And I'm not kidding you, if you've never tried clipping extensions, it looks really hard and really complicated, but it's really as simple as that. Open the clips, part your hair, and then clip them in. This is what the first 2 rows look like, and as you can see, it blends so well with my natural hair. In this video, I did apply gel to the clip-ins once they were in my hair, but it's actually a lot easier to apply the gel to clip-ins before you actually clip them in. This helps to minimize tension. I was really amazed at how the clip-ins really blended in with my natural hair. At first the bundles looked a bit too kinky to match my hair, but as you can see, it looks absolutely amazing. And to apply the gel to my hair, all I'm doing is the shingle method, kind of like when you're doing a wash and go. I'm like smoothing the gel through my hair, then individually pulling out the strands, and then I'm just rubbing it all through to kind of blend my own hair with the clip-ins as well. And I literally couldn't stop running my fingers through the hair. It feels amazing and it looks even better than it feels. I was really shocked at how natural it looked. And from here, I literally just carried on with the process of parting my hair and then putting gel throughout it using the shingle method, and then clipping in and putting the gel in the clip-ins. And as I said before, this bundle contains 10 pieces. My hair's almost done and all I did was put 2 pieces in. And I hope that gives you a little bit of insight on how thick this bundle actually is. Altogether, it took me about, I would say, 5 to 10 minutes. It was very, very quick to install. And I tried to put as much as I could in my hair to see how thick I could get it. But in the end, I still had 2 rows left that I didn't actually put in my hair. So this is what my hair looks like when it's done, and it's unbelievable how natural these clip-ins actually look. I'm also really happy about the time that it took to install the clips. This company also does bundles without clips and closures as well, and you guys know how much I love making wigs, so I've just got to try it. I did let this hair dry a little bit to show you what it looked like. When it dried, it did lose a little bit of shape, so what I did is I took the Afro pick and I just picked it out and it was back to normal again. If you're interested in purchasing this hair, I will leave the link down in the description box below. You can also get $5 off, just type in my name, Sherelle. In this video, I used one bundle of 16-inch clip-ins, and that was the Afro Kinky clip-ins. But although I love sitting here and talking to you guys, I have to love you and leave you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, now is the time to do so. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!